Okay, so hey guys, it is 10:46, December 13th, and I'm barely starting my vlog right now. I'm going to be making chicken nuggets. I'm going to be using this recipe from Food Network. You guys can see those ingredients. So I need 2 chicken breasts, but I'm going to do 4. Okay, so I could be filming a TikTok for my TikTok, because I post a lot of recipes on my TikTok, if you guys didn't know. I also have another recipe that I'm going to be posting on my YouTube channel, but that's in a vlog I'm going to be posting after Vlogmas. I'm going to be cutting the chicken in bite-sized pieces. You can cut this off if you want. So I'm going to cut it in half. Cut a strip, cut a strip, cut a strip. Okay. Now from the strips, right here, yep, bite-sized piece. These are 2 very good bite-sized pieces. Bite-sized piece. You want to cut them all around the same size, because in the video she says that they're supposed to cook all together, so that means, I'm guessing, you need to have it perfectly the same size, so. I noticed in the video she didn't use all of it, so I was thinking about just not putting a whole cup, whole 2 cups, maybe just like half a cup. Just thinking there we go. Just not filling it up. 2 tablespoons of salt, so I'm going to have to. Oh, fuck. I'm going to just put a little bit of that. So, now, I'm going to have to close the baggie. Now, in these right here, you have to put one with breadcrumbs and one with egg. I need 2 eggs. I'm gonna rinse this out and get some water, because she said 1 cup of water. I'll just and then breadcrumbs. Does this thingy have a hole on it? Look at all my eggs are on the freaking thingy. What she did was she did it in batches. So you just take a little bit.
What's that?
I think I got too many, like she said not to do. Vegetable oil, and you have to be filling it up 2 inches to the pan, but not really.
Nice, right?